Hi friends, this is Manish Khanna. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do the pizzeria style garlic bread. It's made like a calzone with the stuffing of a little butter, garlic and a little herbs. It's simple and it's a snack which can go not only along with your main course but it can also be had just as a snack in the evening. Let's get started. For this we need flour, butter, salt, a little garlic powder. I have 10 grams of the fresh yeast and 1 spoon of the sugar. We will need water to make the dough, and for the filling I will need 3 tablespoons of butter, 3 tablespoons of garlic, 1 tablespoon of chili flakes, 1 tablespoon
Thank